seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang, take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Tignan natin kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. Now, we have the Ace of Charisma and the Four of Charisma. May nagpipigil, no? May nagpipigil ipakita yung nararamdaman, may nagpipigil na sabihin natin maging generous. Kung ipakita yung nararamdaman, pwede itong may fear of rejection, may fear of sabihin natin yung ma-fall in love agad, no? And then, ayaw masayang yung energy niya. Kung meron naman ditong nagpipigil or nagko-control ng kanyang pagiging generous, siguro dumating dun sa part na itong person na ito was being taken for granted or taken advantage of, di ba? So parang ngayon binabawasan naman. What I'm reading is the dynamic, okay? Pwedeng ikaw ito, pwedeng yung person mo. You can switch the roles. Again, this is a general reading. So, dynamic ang nakikita natin with the Five of Charisma. So, parang feeling ko dito may nadala or nadala sa past kasi meron ditong iniwan. Meron ditong tinalikuran. Meron ditong with the Five of Charisma, hindi binigay kung ano yung para sa kanya. Someone felt like I was treated a doormat, no? Yun ang isa sa pinakamasakit na pwedeng ma-feel ng tao. A doormat. With the Queen of Charisma and the Three of Strength. Pwede kasi natin sabihin na naging super generous ako with the Queen of Charisma, pero natuto ko, no, with the Three of Strength. With all these situations are happened in this lifetime, ganun na agad. Pwede kasi meron din midlife crisis, no? Dumating na siya sa midlife crisis, parang maaga naman. Pero it doesn't matter, no? Kasi siguro sa dami ng naramdaman, na experience, ganun talaga, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin masyadong maaga. Meron talagang mga taong maagang naging matanda. Meron talagang taong kailangan maging maagang mag-mature, no? Lalo na mga breadwinners, lalo na yung mga sabihin nating hindi naman ganun ka-fortunate, no? Yung kanilang kinalakhan. So I need to, no? I choose to. Kasi yun ang kailangan. Hindi kami mabubuhay kung, hindi ako magpapakamature. So, with the Page of Strength, nakikita natin dito na I think na medyo nag-umpisa ito sa online or magsisimula ito uli online, no? May mga pagkakataon siguro na itong person na ito is reaching out, no? Reconnecting online. So, the King of Wisdom and the King of Strength. So, paano natin ito magagawa? Kasi gusto natin maging generous, pero somewhat we're keeping everything to ourselves. Baka kasi ready akong gawin yon or ready ako gawin uli yon, pero hindi sa ganito kaata, no? I think someone is testing observing the dynamic. So parang sinasabi dito, masyadong maaga para ipakita ko yung totoo kong nararamdaman. Parang masyadong maaga na maging super generous ako. Hindi naman sa nagdadamot. Um, Siguro mas nagiging balance lang ako. And again, I've learned from the past or I've learned from the best. Ayan. Tinuruan mo kung maging ganyan. So, it's either you created a monster in me or thank you for making me more wiser, no? It's either one of those. Ano ba? Thank you for creating a monster in me. You made me a monster with Knight of Wisdom, the full card, and the Five of Strength. Ay, so medyo gusto mo na rin, no? Either medyo gusto mo rin i-show, medyo gusto mo na rin maging generous. So there's a battle deep within your heart and your mind. Parang sinasabi ng puso mo na, uy, ibigay mo na yan, no? Baka ma-stroke ka. Hindi mo na ipapakita kung ano yung emotion mo. Pero yung isip mo naman, parang ang ibinubulong masyadong maaga. Baka mamaya mangyari na naman sa iyo yung dati, no? So, medyo the battle is not with the person. The battle is with you. Mahirap yon kasi ang kalaban mo sarili mo. Ano uunahin mo? Puso mo o ang isip mo? The Nine of Charisma, the Hermit, and the Four of Intelligence. Naku, sinagot niya ako. Sinagot ako ng card. At the Hermit. The Hermit is a person who's wiser. The person who, wala namang ermitanyo na pinanganak kahapon. So, it took time. It took time for the hermit become a hermit, seasoned with age, no? And with the Nine of Charisma, parang itinanim mo, tingnan mo muna, no? Longevity is here. Parang becoming wiser is here. Kasi the Four of Intelligence signifies strong foundation, no? Parang sabi ni person, this time mag-ano ka naman, become logical. Become logical, no? So, yun yung nakikita natin sinasabi ni person. Baka nga kasi puro puso tayo before. Ngayon, isip naman. Para makita mo yung balance, no? Para makita mo kung ano yung nag-work sa'yo. So, this is your reading. Bago ko tingnan ng zodiac sign, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung kayo po may mga katanungan, dumiretso na kayo doon sa ating link. Sa description box ng video na ito, merong link. Hindi ko po sinasagot yung diretsong tanong na sa email na paano po magpa-reading. So, nawawala ng saysay yung paglagay ko ng email, ng link, no? Pangalawa, it's a waste of time kasi yun din ang sasabihin ko, ilalagay ko din yung link. It's a waste of time. For me, it's a waste of time for you. Dumiretso na kayo sa link. Nandun naman lahat ng kailangan ninyo. Name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun naman siya. Then, kapag nakumpleto niyo yung process, it means it's a deal, no? So, dun pa lang tayo magkakaroon ng conversation, no? So, hindi po ako naghahanap ng friend. Madami po tayong ginagawa, no? Or ng makakausap. Sa dami po ng ginagawa natin, meron tayong mga kinakausap din na readings, no? Ayan, kinakausap ko kayo, kahit sarili ko lang to, feeling ko kinakausap ko kayo. Ganyan, no? Yung ating mga gawe everyday. So, tingnan na natin ang zodiac sign. This can be your sun sign or a placement of your chart. Siyempre, ganun din siya. Sun sign or placement ng kanyang chart. I am seeing Leo, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Capricorn pa rin to Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Aries is here, Yeah, Virgo. Yeah. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You